Alright, you guys, today we're gonna make some chicken and Alfredo pasta today. I'm about to put these on the smoker, smoke them up, and we'll be putting together the pasta. Alright, so I put all the chicken breasts in. I know it might look like a lot, but I'm making some big party of chicken Alfredo. So what I did was I actually put them in. Let them do the cold smoke so it can slowly, you know what I'm saying, but make sure you have your inner temperature of 160 degrees. I think I'm gonna take it off a little bit before that because I'm gonna actually put this in the sauce. But yeah, just I put the probes at the top and the bottom because a lot of times these temperature on here, they gauge differently, so the bottom may cook faster than the top. So we're gonna gauge it as we look at it on the app on the phone. All right, so we're gonna get in and get ready to do the sauce and the pasta. All right, so this is the type of pasta we're gonna use. I'm gonna use this Penne Pasta. It goes well with Fettuccine Alfredo. So we're gonna get ready to boil this up. Just follow the instructions on the bag. I got this from H-E-B, but you can get it from your local store, anywhere. Pretty reasonable price, probably around probably $1 or $2, depending on what type of brand you get. All right, so let me get to boiling this up. I'm not gonna waste my time showing you that. I'm just gonna show you when it's done. All right, so now we're gonna get ready to make the Alfredo sauce. Now, you're gonna be like, what do you mean make your Alfredo sauce? Well, this is one way that I know how to enhance making it taste like it's from the restaurant, from out of a bottle. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put everything together. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna add in here. And this cheese does miracles, you guys. You can get all these ingredients from Sam's Club. All right, so let's get over to making up the sauce. All right, so the Alfredo sauces come to temp as far as, warming it up and stuff like this. So this is when you're gonna add in your shaved blended cheese. Now this is amazing cheese. You see it has, Asiago, Parm, and Romano cheese in there. This is one of the excellent cheeses that you can get, real authentic. The pieces of the shave are, straight from the farm. So, this is one of the excellent cheeses that I like to use. This actually enhances your Alfredo sauce. And you can also use this at the end to sprinkle it over and also to put it on your, Caesar salad or whatever you like. But this is what elevates a jar Alfredo sauce, from all the rest. All right, you guys, so what you want to do is put in 1 cup. Now you can do as much as you want, but I'm gonna just put 1 cup in. I think that's enough. Yep, that's about it. Just eyeballing 1 cup. And what you want to do is just stir it in. Stir in your cheese. So it's gonna melt. So just get it all under. Now keep your temperature down on low. I put it on really on low because you want this to naturally melt. You don't want to rush it through because it'll burn, and you don't want that. Then you mess up, a good cheese sauce. So, all right, and let me finish mixing this up. Once it melts, we're gonna add in the chicken. All right, so what you want to do is chop up the chicken breast. This is the chicken breast that I was smoked earlier in the smoker. So chop it up, slice it, cube it up. This is how I like to do it, slice it diagonally. And we're gonna be adding this into the sauce. All right, so I added the chicken into the sauce with the mushrooms. So I did about 2 cups of mushrooms. All the description of the ingredients will be in the description below. So definitely check that out. But everything, is in the pot, done, cheese, like I showed earlier, the mushrooms and the chicken. Now all we have to do next is just pour it over the pasta. All right, you guys, so this is what the pasta looks when it's done. The fully Alfredo chicken pasta with the grilled, well, smoked chicken. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did, you know, preparing it. Sorry, can't grab a bite of it because this is a client's meal. So guys, so hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you made this before. Don't forget to stop by my channel. You know, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next class.